Hi guys, welcome back to Tanderlust. I'm Tanvi and as you can see, I'm currently walking amidst Himalayas, greenery and tiny villages around. But where am I heading to? Come on, let's find out. So guys, believe it or not, at present I'm at altitude of 1600 meters above sea level in this mesmerizing and cloud-kissed valley of Tirthan, and this cute Himalayan street dogs are taking us to a secret location in Tirthan Valley. So come, let's check it out together. Our secret location is Choi Waterfall, and it's a small trek uphill for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, which begins at Nagini village. Oh, and let me introduce you to our trek leader, Mr. Rocky, who's a localite of this Nagini village, and he's taking us to the secret Choi Waterfall. Well, seems like it's gonna be fun. Come on, let's go together. This is so much fun, guys. It's all green around. The trail is filled with greenery. The views are filled with greenery. The mountains have clouds settled on them. I don't know what's more beautiful than this at the moment. I'm completely enjoying the trek. I'm completely enjoying the journey, and I just cannot wait to see what Choi Waterfall looks and what it has in store for us. During the trek, it started to rain and the entire trail became a little bit of slippery. My sister is making sure that I don't slip while shooting this video. Hi Trisha. So Mr. Rocky, our trip leader, brought us right at the entrance of the Choi Waterfall, and now just few more minutes and we'll see the waterfall right in front of us. That's the first look of the waterfall. Isn't it amazing? I just cannot wait to go inside. I'm just so excited. Oh my god, just look at that. The secret location turned out to be beautiful. This is the start of new friendship. This waterfall was an icebreaker and it turned all of us into amazing friends. Here's our celebration dance after reaching this beautiful waterfall. After having a memorable trek, it's time to now head back to our resort at Tirthan Valley. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.